Hi, this is an overview of Chapter 11, Recipes 1, 2, and 3. This is a simple library project. When you open it, you will see the SDK is .NET Standard Library, and it's a basic calculator class that will add and subtract numbers. And when you go inside this project, you open Properties. You will see under Packaging, all the information is given here. So as per the book, you have all the information. You just have to create the package. You have all the information given here. It doesn't execute or it doesn't work anything, you can just create the package using this library. Hi, this is the overview of chapter 11, packaging, the recipe number 4. You will see this is a Windows Forms application. You will have two buttons, add and subtract. When you double click on it, you will see we have a button for add, it uses a calculator class, and then it outputs the answer. Same for the other button click. And again we have reference the library, chapter 11 packaging library. And the library comes from, when you click on the package config, you will see this is under packages. That means we have downloaded it from the NuGet. So if you go to references, click right mouse and manage NuGet packages, installed, you click on install, you will see we have downloaded from this location using the NuGet package manager. When you execute, click 30 and subtract the same answer.